Milo just texted me. She says that she's currently in one of the most famous cafes in the city. Where's the location?
Yeah. I heard that their service is top notch.
Really?
Yeah.
Whatever, let's find out.
By the way, my partner, Neil, he and my classmates. Yeah, hi. You want to order?
Sure, why not?
I've already tasted their food here and drinks. Their bestseller for the iced coffee is caramel macchiato and for the rice meal is buffalo beef.
So what do you rate?
I will let you try their French vanilla.
French vanilla.
Yeah.
I think I will just go with the strawberry thing.
Their drinks is good also.
How about the food?
Mini fries.
Okay, sure.
Fries.
Yeah.
Wait for a minute, please. Good afternoon, ma'am. Here's the menu for food, and here's the menu for drinks.
Thank you.
Try their takoyaki also. Yeah, I'm going there.
I was thinking they order strawberry, strawberry cream and the fries.
That's all.
Yeah.
So that's all, ma'am. Any add-ons?
That's
Please wait, ma'am, for 20 minutes. Hello, ma'am. Excuse me. Here's the first order. Fries.
Oh my gosh! No. I don't want to eat it anymore. Oh, I don't want to eat it anymore.
Is there a way to return it? He doesn't want to eat it anymore.
There's a lot of seasoning, guys. I'm so sorry. Which one is easy?
Can you return it? Because it's too much seasoning and his allergy. There. Please.
I deeply understand, ma'am, and I truly apologize for what happened. Let me take this and give you a new one, and it's on the house. We take accountability, and I'm sorry again. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's the new price. Again, ma'am, we're really sorry to what happened. We're still looking for your good feedback. Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy po, ma'am, your meals. Thank you po. Good.